hope you're all well. So we've now entered our first trade of the week, and that's on NZDUSD. And what I'm going to do is actually break down why we entered this trade and how the trade is doing at the moment. So we're just up just under 30 pips at the moment, and to be honest, we'll be able to move this to break even pretty soon. So NZDUSD is a pair that we've been watching for quite some time now. So let's just go on the daily time frame and see what we have. Okay, so last week we were actually long on NZDUSD, and price did in fact rally just over 50 pips, but unfortunately did pull back to our break even and obviously took us out at break even. Now immediately on the Sunday, we were looking for our re-entries, but one thing that we did say was price is still stuck in the range, right? From a weekly perspective, we're still stuck between this major resistance level and this major support level. Now, what we were looking for was for price to pull back closer to the support for us to be able to enter our long positions. Now, if we go on the 4-hour time frame, you will notice that we have, that's actually a really nice buying formation. So in fact, this would be a confirmation to maybe add another position on this particular pair, which is really good. But of course, price pulled back to our trend line. We entered our long positions, and now we'll be looking to move this to break even soon enough. Now, from a fundamental perspective, I don't know if you're new to our videos, or if you look back on our most recent video, we are still saying that the dollar will continue to weaken going into 2021. Now, with the dollar weakening, we can expect our major currency pairs to continue the bullish momentum to the upside. Now, of course, you do have to take that with a pinch of salt, because GBP USD wouldn't have been a good idea to buy, just because obviously the EU and the UK still have ongoing negotiation in regards to a Brexit deal. So you do have to be very careful with the pairs that you do look to buy against the dollar. But of course, this is a position that we're happy to hold, and we do believe we're going to hit the top of this range soon enough. But to be safe, obviously, we want to make sure that our take profit is just below, or as you can see here, there's a wide margin in terms of our stop loss to our take profit to this resistance area. So obviously, once we do start to rally, we can remove our take profit altogether and just start to trail this position.